Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw Ariel from the Little Mermaid. You can use a pencil or a marker, whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm going to use this marker so that what I draw really stands out. To begin, we're going to make a U shape for Ariel's face. I'm going to go down on a curved line and up. Next, I'm going to start with Ariel's hair. It's very wavy. So I'm going to make a curved line going down, out, touching, and down. Next, let's draw her bangs. We're going to connect the line going from here down to the other side and looping it down. Again, looping it down. I went over it twice because I want my line to be thick. Next, we're going to draw Ariel's hair on the outside going downward. And that again has another wavy line. So I'm going to start from up here and make a big opposite C shape and going out and then in and then out again. Let's continue drawing her hair from the outside. So we're going to go to the top of her hair and we're going to make a curved shape. Next, we're going to make another connecting line that's curved and bring it over here. So that's the top of her head. Then another curved line connecting. Let's make another curved line starting from the inside of the hair, working our way down. And let's get some facial features on her face. Make a N shape for the eye. There's one N and two N. Make that a little bit thicker. Make her eyes really pop out. Show how happy she is. And let's put thin eyebrows on the top and her smile with a U shape. Let's start making her body. So we're going to make a curved line connecting from her head downward. Then make another line parallel to that, making a little V shape. That's going to be her arm. We're going to make her other arm, making another diagonal line on the other side. I'm going to make this one a little bit longer. And then connecting it on the other side. Now, if you don't like to draw fingers, this is definitely a technique for you to use. Let's make her shell top. So we're going to make an opposite C. And then make a C connecting to that opposite C right now. There we go. And some lines to show that they're seashells. And let's draw her hips, making a curved line on one side and a tiny curve on the other. And let's now make her thin. To begin, we're going to draw a V shape. So we're going to draw a diagonal line going from a little bit outside of her hips and connecting it right there. And then we'll make a curved shape and then another parallel line. I'm going to curve it around and connect. There we go. Let's make the bottom of her tail, making a J and a downward line right there. And I'm going to prepare to make my fins. I'm going to add a few more tiny lines, little curved line right there, and then make another line on the other side of the fin going more inward. For the fin, we're going to make a curved line going up to her arm and then make another curved line from behind her. And I'm going to connect that bottom line right there. Next, we're going to make another curved line for the other side of her fin. Oh, we have to finish up Ariel's hair. So we're going to get that little bottom corner to the right by making a diagonal line and a zigzag line. And I'm going to curve it inward. Ariel is complete. Now she's ready to get colored in. You can use crayons, markers, color pencils, whatever you feel comfortable with. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.